Great fans out there, how are you doing today? I greet you. Today, I want us to take a look at gas turbine. We have talked on diesel generators, we have talked on petrol generators, but today we are going to talk briefly on gas turbine. I know that a lot of people need this experience of gas turbine. Many students that are into mechanical engineering courses, many people, many trainee operators, among others, they actually need much explanation on gas turbine. They need good knowledge about gas turbine. Yes, gas turbine is quite different from diesel generators and petrol generators and gas engine. Is quite different. Gas turbine does not have pistons. It doesn't have rails. It doesn't have crankshaft. It doesn't have camshaft. It doesn't have rings. So it's a rotary engine that uses natural gas such as methane as source of fuel and air for combustion process. There are three major sections of gas turbine. We have the turbine section, we have the combustion section, that is combustion chamber, and we have the compressor section. These are the three major sections of gas turbine. Outside this, we have the exhaust plenum, we have the air filtration compartment, because the air that comes to the compressor for compression process must be filtered. If not, if particles, dust are allowed to go to the compressor, it's going to foul the compressor, and this will increase the rate of compressor water washing. Because when the compressor is being fouled, the output of the turbine will drop. So, to reduce the rate of compressor water washing, which is not an easy task, you need to make sure that the air is well filtered. Some gas turbine has three filtration sections. We have the pre-section, we have pre-pre, and we have the main barrier. The main barrier uses what we call cartridge filter, which can be removed once in a while. But the pre-filter and pre-pre, these are pocket filters that can be washed maybe once in a month or twice in a month, depending on how dusty the environment is. There are some locations that are well dirty. If your turbine is situated around such area, you know you are going to do frequent washing of your pocket filters. If not, your turbine will be shutting down on high differential pressure. So this is the air filtration system. While the fuel line, we have filters that filter the gas. We have dryer that raises the gas temperature above dew point. Because if your gas temperature is below dew point, you are going to run your turbine on wet gas. And this wet gas can cause a lot of damages within the nozzles and your combustion chamber. So you must raise the gas temperature above the dew point of the gas for safety of your turbine. So these are the things you need to know for now. The fuel must be filtered and the air must be filtered. Now let's go back now to the compressor. The function of the compressor is to compress the air, the filtered air from the filtration system. Some compressors have 15 stages, some 17 stages, depending on the capacity of your turbine. 1/4 of the compressed air is used for combustion process, while the rest is used for cooling the combustion product at the turbine first stage inlet, because the combustion product has high temperature that is above 700 degrees Celsius. If this high gas temperature comes in contact with your turbine blade, this will cause a lot of damages. So the combustion product must be cooled before coming in contact with the turbine buffet. So this is the function of your compressor. Now your combustion chamber is where the air and the natural gas mix together, and with the help of your torch there will be a spark that gives birth to ignition. We have different types of combustion chamber. We have annular type and we have a can type. The annular type, the combustion from the torch is going to propagate, but in a can type combustion chamber we have a crossfire tube, we have retainer, we have flow sleeve, we have a transition piece. So the combustion is going to move from one combustor to another combustor through the crossfire tube. So this is for can type combustion chamber. So after this, we have our turbine section where we have 2 stages, 3 stages, depending on the capacity of turbine.